Electric car charger installer quotes, Ardmore, Pennsylvania, 888-901-4131. Many thanks for clicking this video about electric car charger installer quotes, Ardmore, Pennsylvania and Ardmore, Pennsylvania. Call our team today if you may need electric car charger installation for your house or business. Our contact number is 888-901-4131. We are available to help you with installations and repairs of electric car chargers. Also, today we are going to learn more about tax credits for electric car charger installation. Depending on where you live, you could be qualified to get tax credits for installing an electric car charger. There are two types of rapid charging stations, Level 2 and DC. Both of them can be installed in the house, but it is essential to learn which one is right for your place. You likewise have to consider the expense, which can vary from one business to another. Level 2 versus DC fast charging stations. Selecting a charging station is a vital decision for electric car owners. There are two primary choices, Level 2 and DC fast charging stations. Having said that, the decision is dependent on the type of car. Level 2 chargers are one of the most common. They charge your EV at rates of about 25 miles per hour. These are typically more affordable to purchase and install. They come with a SAE J1772 EV plug that works with most vehicles. They are readily available for sale online or in the United States. Level 3 chargers, alternatively, are much faster and more expensive. They can charge your EV in 20 to 30 minutes. They are perfect for roadside stops or retail locations. They require 400 to 900 volt direct current infrastructure. Unlike Level 2 chargers, they are a little bit more complicated to install. Level 1 versus Level 2 electric car chargers. Selecting the right electric car charger isn't normally simple. There are a number of choices accessible, and each has its benefits and drawbacks. A good selection depends on the amount of money you are willing to pay, the benefit you are looking for, and the overall flexibility you have. There are two primary types of chargers available, and each has its own benefits and drawbacks. The first is a standard home outlet that provides a charge time of 12 to 30 miles per hour. The second is a Level 2 charger, which deals with 240 volts. This type of charging is faster, and supplies more range than the Level 1 charger. Using the appropriate source of power can boost the battery's capability by 8 times. The small Level 1 charger is typically provided with new electric automobiles. It is a little box that looks like a routine home outlet, however with a longer cord and grounded plug. Electric car charger expense. Whether you own and operate an electric car or are planning to acquire one, installing an EV charging station can cost up to $1,000. The installation cost will depend upon where you live, the kind of charger you prefer, and how far the charger is from your house. For the most part, the cost for an EV charging station will vary from $1,200 to $2,500. The amount will be impacted by the distance from the electrical panel to the charging port, and the electrical panel's adequacy. An EV charging station should be installed by a certified electrical expert. An electrical contractor will be able to provide you a more precise price quote. A specialist can also help you select the most suitable location for the charger. If you may need to get a new breaker box, this will likewise add to the installation expense. A brand new breaker box costs $500 $1,000. It might be worth the expense for people who make the most of their garage for more than one automobile. Electric car charger tax credits. Regardless of whether you are a homeowner or a business, there are lots of tax credits that may be applied to the fee of installing an electric car charger. These may be a substantial help. A few of these are federal and others are state-sponsored. You will want to fill out an IRS Form 8911 when you submit your company taxes, and this will help you to identify the credit you will obtain. In addition to the federal tax credit, you might also be qualified to apply for regional and state incentives. The National Conference of State Legislatures has a detailed listing of programs in each region. You can find details about these programs by searching on your state's website. To get inexpensive electric car charger installation pricing, and uncover how you may be able to get your new electric car charger installed for practically nothing, making use of tax credits, call us today at 888-901-4131. Electric car charger installer quotes, Ardmore, Pennsylvania, 888-901-4131.